You're responsible. You budget, you track your spending. You're finally good with money. And somehow, dating gets harder. Not easier, not calmer, awkward. You suggest splitting a bill. You hesitate on an expensive date. You mention saving instead of traveling. And suddenly the vibe shifts. The other person looks at you like you just committed a social crime. Which makes no sense, right? Being financially responsible is supposed to be attractive. So, why does it feel like being good with money actively hurts your dating life? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't associate money discipline with security. They associate it with restriction. When someone hears, "I'm budgeting," their brain translates it to less fun, less spontaneity, more rules, more stress. Even if none of that is true. Especially early in dating, people are scanning for emotional safety, not financial logic. And budgeting, even healthy budgeting, can signal, "I'm cautious, I'm controlled, I'm thinking long-term," which clashes with what dating often rewards: impulse, excitement, freedom. So it's not that being good with money is bad, it's that it's misread. Here's where it gets deeper. Dating operates on emotional currency. Budgeting operates on logical currency. And when those two collide too early, it creates friction. One person is thinking, "Can we enjoy this moment?" The other is thinking, "Is this worth the cost?" Neither is wrong, but they're playing different games. That's why someone with zero savings can feel more attractive in the short term. They feel carefree, unbothered, present, while the responsible person feels calculated, measured, heavy. Ironically, the traits that build long-term stability often kill short-term attraction if introduced the wrong way. Here's what actually matters. Being good with money isn't unattractive. Poor communication of it is. People aren't turned off by responsibility. They're turned off by feeling limited, judged, or deprived. When money discipline is framed as, "I'm in control of my life. I create freedom, not restriction. I spend intentionally on what matters." It stops being a turnoff. It becomes grounding. Attraction doesn't die because of budgeting. It dies when responsibility feels like scarcity. If this made you rethink money, dating, or both, hit subscribe. Because money doesn't just affect your bank account. It shapes your relationships, your confidence, and how people experience you. And once you understand that, everything changes.